guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glitchy video effect on CapCut PC. So select a bit of your video that you want to kind of like repeat a few times. It doesn't wait, I meant make sure like the duration of it is short, like the one that I cut right here, because you don't want to be too long. I'm also going to do that here. You can select any part of the video that you want, of course. And I'm just going to copy and paste it until there's around like 6 to like 8 clips. And that's it basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!